Today we will be learning about animals using their sight, smell, and sense. Right here, we have this bullying macaw. I'm not very good of a speller, so I don't know how to spell it. And this dead, I don't know what bird that would be. So this macaw killed this bird. And for some reason, maybe to eat it, but left it behind. And the mother bird that laid the egg that hatched out of got really mad. So this vulture, yellow-billed vulture, smelled the gas and the scent, and also saw the bird because it has a really good sight. Found the bird, picked everything off of it except for the bone. Down here, we have snakes using the Jacob's organ. We have the diamondback right here. It's smelling the scent with its Jacob's organ from this big fat rat. And it notices that is prey. Over here we have a diamondback going for this mouse. And this snake right here, this diamondback's going for this mouse. We also have how a hunter shoots a deer or an elk, something like that, maybe a moose. Pull back your bow, shoot the arrow, and then it flies, hits the elk or any deer family, animal, and many more, and it starts bleeding and leaves blood trails, and you can find it, rack it up, take it to the butcher, chop it up, eat it. And this right here is a silly ghost. I'm not sure who made it, but it's nothing to do with nature that we're talking about. And that is all I have to say, and that's all that's on this paper. Bye.